I hate reading, yet my to-read list is seemingly always 50 books long. And every time I'm on TikTok or YouTube or listening to a podcast, someone seems to be recommending yet another book that I must read or else my business will fail. I mean, I feel like I'm the last person on earth that hasn't read Atomic Habits. Please let me know in the comments if you're with me or if you've read it. Even the couple I was house sitting for the other day had it on their bookshelf, and it was just staring deep into my soul the whole time I was there. And that whole work smarter, not harder thing, it's actually true, especially now that we have all these productivity AI tools that unlock a whole new side of ourselves or something. Anyway, today I'm here to share one of those AI tools with you all. I've been using it for the past week. Basically, this tool is the ultimate passive learning trick. To show you that, I'm going to go pick up something. Give me a second.
3 hours later.
Okay, so you've likely seen these all over your feed, but this is one of those diamond painting kits. I thought I would show you how passive this thing is while attempting to finish this thing. But before I go into that, let me tell you a bit more about the tool. It's called 15minutes.ai. It basically promises us the best book summaries within 15 minutes, and they have right here Atomic Habits staring at me. I did not plan for this. Basically, you can click on it to listen to it, but they also have like a summary, so you can read the summary if you prefer. And if you're wondering what I'm planning to read, I can show you my library. As you can see, there's 8 pages. So I do not shy away from adding stuff to the list. Some of this is stuff that was in my Apple books. Others are just things that got recommended by the app, just based on either popular books or things that are related to the ones that I was adding. You can see there's a lot of business stuff, home stuff, because again, just moved. This one I really want to read next, Essentialism. I think it will be really interesting. But there's also like 10 days passive reading. This is just silly. But there's also like anxiety related books. So yeah, a bit of personal, a bit of business, but I'm excited to get through this haul. I'll be fully honest with you, they did gift me the membership in order for me to be able to try it and talk to you about it. But I went and checked it out, and they do have a lifetime membership, which to me is the one I would personally get because I'm sick and tired of all these subscriptions. I'm paying for something from my website. There's like video editing, there's all these stuff that you need for your business. There's Upwork Plus, but I do not recommend that. But there are so many subscriptions that anytime an app has a lifetime deal, I love that and I automatically go for it. And of course, I'll have that link down below in case you want to check it out. It's something that will, one, save you time, plus the time get back from reading these books can and should honestly be used for doing things like pitching to new clients, which I don't know about you, but I kind of sometimes forget, and it's really important to keep the business afloat. There's also some of the books, I don't know if you saw, in my library that are about pitching, so that comes kind of full circle. And also applying what you learn from the books, or like writing down any ideas you get from it to improve your business, your clients, whatever it is, it's really priceless in my opinion. Now, I do have a challenge for you that I thought about doing with the time you get back. Send like one single, really high quality pitch. What that typically looks like for me is really do research to make sure that client that I'm pitching is really fully aligned with what I want to work with and what I'm passionate about. And number 2 is that I offer something to them. It's Christmas time. It's the time of giving. So I like offering like an audit, for example, not like saying you're doing this wrong, here's how to do it right, because I feel like that can get a bit harsh sometimes, but just letting them know like, hey, I saw your website, your socials, whatever, and I really like this and that. Here's what I would bring to the table, or what I would like to test out with you. Just giving free advice or free ideas. It's something a lot of people hold back on, but I think, especially within, again, the Christmas spirit, let's just give something out for free without necessarily expecting anything in return. And if you do take on the challenge, please do send that pitch to me over Instagram. The handle is the same as this, and I'll check it out and I'll give you my honest feedback on it, because sometimes all you need is an extra set of eyes to find something you can do better, or just give you some reassurance that you're on the right path.